All right, in this video, we're gonna be doing drag curls. This is a very rare exercise you won't see many people doing. I learned this one back in the day when I was competing, and it was a great ending movement for my arm days. You'll need a preset barbell for this movement. You'll do this exercise just like any other bicep workout. 1 second on the positive action and 2 seconds on the negative portion. Now they call these drag curls for a reason, and that's because you want to drag the barbell on the front of your body. This allows for maximum tension on the biceps. This workout is great for the development of the outer part of your biceps. When you do this workout and are lean enough, you'll notice the development on the outer side of your biceps. This kind of detail will really make your arms stand out and look awesome.